Hi everyone, welcome back to Liberty Park Music. Today we'll be checking out how to play Perfect by Ed Sheeran. So if you have any questions throughout this video, please feel free to reach out to us. And that's pretty much it. Let's jump right into the lesson. Now let's check out the song structure for Perfect. Before I begin, I do want to point out that the original recording for this song is in the key of A flat, but if you look at the chart before you, this chart is in the key of G. So if you do want to play the song in the same key as the recording, you want to put a capo on the first fret of your guitar and then play the same chords as the chart, and you will have and you'll be playing in the same key as the studio recording of Perfect by Ed Sheeran. Anyways, back to the song structure. So this song begins with a verse section. The verse section lasts for 16 bars, and then it moves into a pre-chorus section. Now the pre-chorus section, it has two different endings. So the first time you play the pre-chorus section, it will go, the last two bars will be G and D, and that's the first ending. And then when you repeat the pre-chorus section, you want to skip the first ending and jump straight into the second ending, which is D and D again. After the pre-chorus section, we have a chorus section which lasts for 16 bars, but it's just the same 4 bars repeated 4 times. After the chorus section, we have a short interlude section. And after the interlude section, you will see this symbol over here, which says DC L coda. Now let me break that down by explaining DC first. So when you see the symbol DC, what that means is you want to play the song, just start the song from the beginning of the chart again. So DC means just go right to the beginning. And then you'll play as per normal. So back to the verse again, then pre-chorus with the first ending, second ending, and then the chorus. And then now you will see a symbol that is the coda symbol. And that's what DC L coda means. The L coda basically means play up to the coda symbol. Then once you encounter the coda symbol, you want to skip whatever is after the coda symbol and jump straight into the next coda symbol that you see. So in this example over here, we will play the chorus, we'll repeat it 4 times, so for a total of 16 bars. Then we'll jump from this coda symbol to this coda symbol over here, which is a second interlude, which is also a guitar solo section. Once you hit the guitar solo section, you're just gonna play that for 8 bars, and then it goes back into the chorus section again for 16 bars again. And then it has a repetition of the last phrase of the chorus for 4 bars. And then you will play the outro. Now when it comes to song structures, especially if you're just playing with maybe just yourself and a vocalist, or if you're going to be singing the song yourself, you can always rearrange how the song structure goes. For example, you're not going to be able to play a guitar solo. Well, it is possible, but more often than not, if you're just playing it and singing, or you have someone else singing for you, more likely than not, you will skip the guitar solo section. So maybe you can just repeat the chorus. For example, after the second chorus, instead of jumping into a guitar solo, maybe you can just repeat the chorus 2 more times, and then end it off with the last phrase of the chorus into the outro. This is pretty flexible. The song structure can be adjusted however you see fit. Now let's try to play the song together at a much slower tempo. This will help you get the different sections down, and then you can eventually just turn on a metronome and work on it on your own. So I'm going to go with the verse section first. We're going to go through that twice. So let's try this together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's for the verse section. Now let's try out the pre-chorus section, which is very similar to the verse section, but let's just do it anyway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. And that's the pre-chorus section. Now let's try out the chorus section. I'm just going to play this section twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And finally, let's try out the interlude section that comes right after the chorus section. So we'll try this maybe 4 times just to make sure that you guys can nail this down. Just remember, we're just going to sustain the D major chord. I'm not going to play any picking pattern for that chord. I'm just going to do a finger roll and sustain the chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. And that's pretty much it for all the different sections. So we did go quite a bit slower, quite a lot slower actually compared to the original song. But once you get down this play along section and you can play along with the speed that I'm going at, turn on your metronome and try to match the speed that the song is originally at, and try to build your way up with your metronome to that speed. And yeah, you should have this down with no issues at all. And that's all we have for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And again, if you have any questions about any of the sections, remember just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video lesson. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms.